Breaking news, Nigerians. Health workers, teachers, others may lose their job as federal government excludes professional bodies cancel for budgetary allocations. Welcome back to Prospect Channels TV. Thank you for coming out here. If you are just joining us, please kindly subscribe and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thank you. The Nigerian federal government has reviewed a plan to reduce financing for several professional groups, councils, and associations in the country. And this action is considered as being part of efforts to reduce spending. In a letter that was sent to various professional organizations and councils, Ben Akimbeze, the Director General of the Project Office of the Federation, stated that the reduction in funding would become effective beginning in January 2024. Therefore, the bodies were instructed in the memo with reference number DG/BDT/GEN CORR/2016/X111/3067 to begin making the necessary modifications before the new policy goes into effect. In the circular dated June 26, 2023, Akimbeze explained why the decision was made, stating that it was by the proposal of the Presidential Committee on Salaries, PCS. I wish to inform you that the Presidential Committee on Salaries, the PCS, at its 13th meeting approved the discontinuation of budgetary allocation to professional bodies through councils effective 1st January 2024. The purpose of this letter, therefore, is to inform you that in compliance with the CS directive, this office, the Budget Office of the Federation, will no longer make budgetary provisions for your institution, which means that you will be regarded henceforth as self-funded organization. For the avoidance of that, you will be required, effective 1st January 2024, to be fully responsible for your personnel, overhead, and capital expenditures, the memo said. It was reported that the new development will have an impact on at least 25 professional bodies and councils that fall under various ministries, including the Ministry of Trade and Investment, the Ministry of Information and Communication, the Ministry of Agriculture and Rural Development, the Ministry of Transport, the Ministry of Mines and Steel, the Ministry of Justice, the Ministry of Works and Housing, the Ministry of Environment, among others, that receive funding from the federal government. It is possible that the Teachers Registration Council of Nigeria, TRCN, the Computer Regulation Council, the Librarians Registration Council, the National Education Research and Development Council, the Mass Literacy Council, the National Examination Council, NECO, and the West African Examination Council, WAEC, will also be affected. Affected agencies that fall within the purview of Nigeria's Ministry of Health, including the Nursing and Midwife Council, the Pharmacist, the Council of Nigeria, the Nigerian Medical and Dental Council, and the Nigerian Council for Medical Laboratory Science. So these are the people who will be affected. Shebi Yoruba people carry am for head, say Tinubu na im dem want. Now see the president well na get to all those senators, government bodies, why dem not sack some and reduce their salary. This shege go reach everybody body because over sabi people too like suffer. If you no like Nigeria pack oh, you should start from the House of Assembly. They are not doing anything for goodness sake. This man think we don't have sense. This man just want to cause wahala for this Nigeria. These are heart of Nigeria. Abi, you forget Ministry of Education too? This one will not work, abeg. Let the reduction start from the National Assembly and the House of Representatives. Cut governance expenses by the leader, for example. Okay, guys, these are some reactions from Nigerians. Honestly, if this really is going to work, this one don't pass, be careful. You understand? We have senators, these senators for House of Assembly, all of them, even House of Reps, all these commissioners and all that. Wetin be their work for this government? How much are these people receiving? These people not even they touch their salary. They have so many allowances and all that, plus the ones when they steal the pockets. And these people, how much are you paying these people now, for goodness sake? You still want to see the cut. This is not fair. Say now like this you want to do the government. Well, we dey watch. Because he say he want change Nigeria for good. Make person not come talk too much. They can't say you don't begin to talk. And all that. Make we dey watch the government at least 6 months. 6 months, we go really understand wetin dey happen. Because right now, me myself, I no understand. Life has turned to something else. So life don't come today difficult. That is the gospel truth. Wetin we dey buy 1,000 naira before, when we even dey cry say he had money, is now being sold for 4,354. How will a common man out there survive this government? This Bola Ahmed Tinubu government, na government of the rich. E be like say the poor masses, they are not included in this government. This is going to be a lot of, problem. It's going to cause a lot of problem. I'm dropping it here. Kindly share your thoughts below the comment section. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel if you have not. Thank you.